I'm Neil. This is my robot Roomba A80, and let's turn it on. Go here! So the Roomba's just cleaning up the room. I think that was good. Huh? Put the video here. Sorry, subscribers. Sorry, everybody. I thought the Roomba was wrong. There the Roomba is. I just needed to stop it. That's almost the end. Oh, a pen on the ground. Sorry, I thought this was a pen. It's not very good, and it doesn't work with the phone. Don't go under. Then it should go back to its charging base. And then if you like this video, then subscribe.